Hi everyone, Petal Bless here. I'm coming on today to show you how you can take these items that I have here and turn them into So if you want to see how we put these together and make that lovely centerpiece, just stay tuned. And you know what time it is? It's time for us to let's get started. Alright everyone, we're going to start with this vase that we have here. Just this clear vase. And we are going to use some black acrylic paint, yes, and paint our vase. Now we are just going to take the paint and put it inside the vase. Just squirt it in, and then we are going to spread the paint out everywhere. And we're just going to keep doing this step until the vase is all full, and then I will let it sit and dry, and then we're going to come back with a second coat and do our vase one more time. Now we're going to take this smaller vase and we are going to add some bling to it. It's going to be the bottom part of our flower decor. So we have the black mesh here, the black bling wrap, that we have from Totally Dazzled. It's nice, it's all glittery and nice, although it's black. So we're going to cut it into strips. And then we have the flower bling wrap here. And we're going to cut that into strips also. And we're just going to use our hot glue. Like I tell you, you can use any adhesive that you would like to use for your project. I'm just using the hot glue. And we are going to glue the bling wrap going down the sides. And now we're doing the flower wrap. One bling wrap, one flower wrap, going right around. And now our vase is all dry. And look at that, doesn't it look so nice with the black? We have a nice black vase. So now we are going to use some bling wrap from Totally Dazzled that I cut out into a long strip and glue it going right around our vase. And now we are going to use the strips, singular strips of bling wrap, and we're going to glue them going right around the vase. I love the effect that this gives with the single strips going right around to the bottom. The other centerpiece that I did, I liked how it turned out, so I said, you know what, I'm going to try it with a black vase. So that's what we're doing today. So we're just going to glue, like I said, the strips going right around the bottom part of our vase. And here is our glam centerpiece all by itself. Just the vase, it looks super cute. And now I did use some glue and glue the two vases together, which I didn't record that part, but it's just simple. Add the glue and then place your two parts right on top of the other, the two vases, and glue them down. And I do think it looks very nice, the silver over the black. And I did add my glam bling from Totally Dazzled. Yes, you know I love these gems from Totally Dazzled. I added that to our vase right there. And as you can see, I added some silver strips going down through our black and flower bling wrap. I added that there to make it look a little fuller and nice. And I do believe it looks very nice. And here is our glam centerpiece with the flowers inside. I think it looks absolutely lovely. It'll make a lovely piece of decor for our spring and summer decor 2020. Yes, a lovely piece of centerpiece for your special event. Yeah, I think it looks very nice. And it's very easy to make. Yes, it was. Very easy. Inexpensive for your glam event on a budget. Aren't we all working on a budget? Yes, we are. Trying to save money and look good at the same time. Yes, and with this DIY here, you can achieve that. I want to share with you how it looks with the light out. I placed a LED light from the Dollar Tree, one of their push lights inside, and this is how it looks. Isn't this lovely? As the evening rolls on in your event, your tables will look lovely with this sitting on them. Yes, when you dim the lights and you play the music and have some dancing and some nice and steady groove for the rest of the evening. Yes, doesn't this look lovely? A lovely piece of centerpiece for your special event. And now I'm going to show it to you without the flowers. Yes, because you can decorate it without the flowers. Yes, not everybody wants flowers at their event, and if you don't, it still looks beautiful just like this. And of course, everyone, you can have it without the lights. Not everybody wants lights in their centerpiece. You can just display it just like this, and it still looks lovely. Or add in your flowers. Add in your flowers, and it is still a lovely piece. A lovely centerpiece. Alright, everyone. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think of our black and silver spring splash summer wedding decor idea. Yes. I'll be coming back to you with more glam centerpieces. Yes, for this wedding season of 2020. But like I said, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. And thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY that I had to share with you guys today. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Blessed, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.